This is JBL's Cinema SB271 soundbar. I'm connected this to TV. This is the woofer. So this is a wireless subwoofer. That means this is connected to the power plug, and the subwoofer is connected to the soundbar wirelessly. So I have connected the soundbar to the TV with a HDMI cable, and this is the power cable of the soundbar. These are the controls, and you are not getting a display. The display is not available. You will get a indicator. This is the remote which you are getting. This is to switch from HDMI to optical. HDMI cable comes with the packing, so it is included in the box, so I just used that. And this is the Bluetooth mode. This is the movie, news, music and voice is there. They are telling when we click on this voice mode, it will enhance the dialogues, the output of the dialogues. Okay, so we will just check it out, everything.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. Step by step, the clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the. We are heroes tonight. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, right up in the sky. I need you to listen and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, running to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly up.
It's not fast.
Just hold your ground.
Hey, why don't you bring back some of your friends, huh?
Boy, you are in for a show tonight, son.